Are you tired of fumbling with your mouse to do simple tasks on your computer? Well, get ready to boost your productivity with these 3 super useful Windows keyboard shortcuts you might not know about. First up, ever need to step away from your desk in a hurry instead of clicking through menus to lock your PC? Just press the Windows key and the L key together. Boom! Your computer is instantly locked, keeping your data safe and secure from any prying eyes. It's that simple. Next, need to grab a quick screenshot of just a part of your screen. Forget the old print screen button. Press Windows, Shift, and S. Your screen will dim, and you can just drag to select the exact area you want to capture. It's a game changer for sharing info quickly. And finally, my personal favorite for when your desktop gets too cluttered. If you have tons of windows open, just grab the title bar of the one you want to keep and give it a little shake. All the other windows will magically minimize. Shake it again to bring them all back. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.